to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned my damaged frontal into a closure. So this is what the frontal looks like. As you can see, there's holes, the lace is torn. So I did go ahead and section the lace off already to make sure everything was nice and even, straight across and everything like that. And then I'm going to go and start cutting the lace off both sides, but I am going to be using those two pieces in this video. I did not plan on using these two pieces when I first started the video. I just ended up needing it because I was running out of tracks. So that's what you see me doing now, is just cutting the excess pieces off. And I'm just basically placing these to the side because I'm going to use these later once I notice that I'm running out of hair. So now I'm just putting the frontal a little bit further than the cap, and I'm just going to secure it down with some T-pins just to make sure nothing's moving around, and I'm going to make sure everything is nice and tight so that there's no lumps inside of my closure. So now I'm just using a coloring pencil, or I guess some people use Sharpies to draw out where I want my tracks to be placed. I saw this on a few different videos, I guess. So I'm just trying this method to see if it works for me. And I feel like it did work for me because it kind of gave me pretty much the map out of what I had to work with. And that's how I pretty much knew I was running out of hair. So the hair that I'm using is from I Am Hair, and this is like the second time I've used this hair. I did make this into a headband wig because I couldn't use the frontal. Now this is a whole nother story time. I bought this hair for my birthday, and then I went to get it installed, but the install was messed up, so I had to take the wig off. I couldn't use the frontal, so I didn't use the hair. I had to end up using a different hair for my birthday. Girl, it was a whole story. But yeah, so basically these tracks are already cut. Some of them are. But I am going to be using the cut track method. I'm not using the fold over method. I really don't like that method because it makes the wigs look bigger to me. So here's where I noticed I was running out of hair. So I decided to go ahead and use these pieces. Now this is not my creation or my idea. I did see a video on my channel. I would try to link down below exactly where I saw this video. I can't remember the girl's name. I'm just going to search through my history or my past watch videos to find her. Like I said, I didn't even know I was doing this method until I noticed I was running out of hair. So basically I'm just sewing the top of the frontal or the bottom. I don't even know what piece this is. I'm just basically sewing these together and then also sewing around pretty much how I just sewed the frontal down, but just more to the back and just in separate pieces. So you're going to see me doing the same thing for this piece and then the same thing for the next piece as well. So this is what the wig looks like once I'm completely done sewing both pieces on. So this is how much space I have left to fill with tracks, which was perfect. Alright, so that is all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this install was kind of helpful to you guys. It was helpful to me, so I did learn some things. I've learned how to reuse an old frontal. I've also learned and practiced how to make wigs. So this is only like my second time making an actual wig on a wig head. I've been buying wigs a lot lately, so this is like some learning lessons for me. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one.